Richard Kalema, omutuuze w'e Kagadi, ennaku emuyonka butaaba, era ng'atambulira ku miggo oluvannyuma lw'okufuna ekirwadde ekyamuvirako n'okulemererwa okutambula.
Bwe nagenda emulago omusawo yangendeza yagamba nti nalayikoma.
Kalema atubulidde nti oluvannyuma lw'okumala emyaka 3 ng'ali ku ndiri, bakama be baamugoba ne ku mulimu.
My last contract was terminated in 2017.
Ono yasalawo addukire mu kittavvu ky'abakozi ekya NSSF gy'abadde atereka ssente kati okumala emyaka 13.
Nasevinga ssente zange mu NSSF. Kansabira ssente zange zinyambeko okubeera gye ndimu.
Ono okututtola ennaku gy'ayitamu asinzidde mu maka ge Kagadi nga tukozesa tekinologiya w'essimu. Ono atubulidde nga ekitongole kya NSSF bwe kyamulagira akeberebwe, naye omusawo n'akola alipoota ng'egamba nti asobola okuwona, kyokka n'abategeeza nti alina yadde ekuba ennyonyi ofuna obujjanjabi obwetaagisa. Tufunye agamu ku maloboozi ng'ayogerezeganyaamu n'abakozi ba NSSF abaamukubira essimu okumubuulira nti tagenda kuweebwa ssente.
The doctor says that you can get well and work again.
But how can I get well when I'm not treated? I'm not working. I'm just seated. There is nothing I'm doing, nothing at all.
So currently we're working within that law. So as much as we may want to pay, we are unable to. We can only pay when the disease that you have completely puts you out of employment.
But it is what put me out of employment now.
Waliwo n'omukozi omulala gwagamba nti yamukubidde ng'amutegeeza nga bwe baagala okuddamu okukola ku nsonga ye bafune omusawo omulala abawa alipoota.
We would need confirmation from the fund doctor that you're actually physically incapacitated and not able to do any other work to qualify for that benefit.
Who employs that fund doctor?
He's an independent doctor.
Who employs him?
He's an independent doctor.
Do you
do not employ him?
Do NSSF pay him or it does not?
We pay him for his services.
Kyokka bwe twogeddeko n'akulya NSSF Richard Byarugaba ebya Kalema ayongedde okubiwako olunyata bw'ategeeza nti ono talina kuweebwa ssente.
There are 6 ways you can claim your money at NSSF. Number 1, you're age 55. Number 2, you're out of employment for 1 year and you're age 50. Number 3, you're not well and the doctor has confirmed that you're not well. Number 4, you die. Number 5, you work for an exempted employer like government. Number 6, you go back or you leave the country for good. Now, that gentleman does not qualify on any of those. Even if he doesn't have school fees, even if he has run out of employment, even if he is not well, he does not qualify.
I have all the qualifications to get that money. I'm denied by your fund doctor, the one you pay, and who is being paid by part of my money.
No, but the report is not his. The report is ours. It's not his report. It's our report. Oh, so why would, if we have paid all the other people, why would we only single him out? I am not a doctor. A doctor is the best person to interpret. So if you want, you go to a doctor specialist and get their opinion. But for us, we interpret the law in accordance to what was written in the law and our...
Byarugaba agamba nti ekyasalibwawo ono kumukwasa dokita wa NSSF omulala addemu amwekebejje.
Should that opinion mirror the first opinion, that is the end of the matter as far as we're concerned, because we've run out of options. So there's no more appeal at that stage. Okay? The opinion said no. So we asked him to go and see another opinion, seek another opinion. And that's why he got upset and he began circulating all those things.
Jingo Francis, NTV, Akawungeezi.